Want to make your profile pop? Here's how to craft the perfect bio on Threads within a few taps. But first, make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from One Stop Solution, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to add bio in Threads app. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, tap on the Thread app icon on your device. Then tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you are on your profile page, tap the Edit Profile. You will see a section where you can update various details like your name, profile picture, and of course your bio. The bio section is where you can express your personality and interest. Tap into the bio option and type in whatever you want to share about yourself. You have got 150 characters, so be creative. You can also add emojis to make your bio more fun. Tap on the Import Bio from Instagram if you want the same bio as your Instagram. After typing in your bio, tap the check mark at the top right corner to save your changes. And tap the Done button at the top right. Your bio will be now displayed on your profile, making it easy for others to get to know you. So this is how to add bio in Threads app. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.